Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to view trending videos on TikTok Studio. First of all, open up your TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, tap on TikTok Studio, then scroll down a little to creation inspirations. Then you can see trending posts. Here you can see all the trending posts on TikTok Studio. The further you scroll down, the more it will keep loading the posts, and if you want to see the creators, you can tap on creators and you see the names of all the creators. You can also choose the topic. You can filter by topic, you can filter by location, and you can also filter by recommended to see similar posts, followers viewed, and every other thing. So that is how to see trending videos on TikTok Studio.